Alright. You folks have told me how dirty this table is. Well, I think that you've complained long enough because, as you can tell, this is a sponsored video. The sponsor of the video is Super Clean out of Eagan, Minnesota. They sent me some products to try out, and the thing is that I've already opened this box. I'm sorry, I just got a little excited. So, bear with me. So they sent me some of their products to try out, and we'll be trying these out in the next few videos. I'll try and space them out, or I'll put them as a second video on during the week, okay? So that's what's going on, okay? So, let's get into the box. And they did send some swag. You know, gotta have that stuff. And this, I think it's really nice of them to send some really nice swag. So I'm actually excited to see what their products can actually do, because you know, hey, this is our first channel sponsor, folks. So now, granted, just because they sponsored this video and sponsored the next couple of videos that we're going to do with these products does not mean that we're not going to actually test them, okay? So don't think that we're going to sit on the laurels and go, yes, we are going to test the product properly. So they sent the 32-ounce spray bottle of their general purpose cleaner. They sent a 32-ounce all-wheel cleaner. So this is going to be an interesting thing, because I actually have to find wheels that this is worthy of getting. Okay? You think, oh yeah, Chris, but don't you have 7 vehicles? Yes, I do, but the thing is that realistically, a lot of them are pitted. So, there's that. Now, they sent the aerosol spray can. Now, I like that they sent both the actual, you know, pump style and the foam, because I've tried products in the past where the spray stuff works great, but the stuff coming out of the pump is garbage, or vice versa, where the stuff coming out of the pump is great, but the stuff coming out of the can is garbage. So we're gonna see if, you know, these two products here can actually live up to the name that they give. And we'll get to, you know, some stickers. You know, we swag. Floor absorbency. We're gonna try this out on the driveway. Yeah, I should have had something like this years ago, but hey. So, now this, the liquid, you can actually get in multiple sizes. The 32 ounce, the 1 gallon, the 2 gallon, the 5 gallon, the 55-gallon drum and a 250-gallon tote. So, and this is the mix chart. I had them send along a mix chart because not everything that you do with this is going to need full strength. You know, indoor drain opener, full strength, garbage disposals, full strength. But, you know, things like a laundry pre-soak, they say 16 to 1 for laundry pre-soak. Microwave ovens. Granted, I get it that most of you are not going to actually use the mixing chart, but I just wanted to make sure that you folks know that there is an actual mixing ratio for these products. So, yeah. And, you know, this is a product line other than just their standard stuff. They're on Facebook, they're on YouTube, they're on Instagram. So, connect with them there. They do have a website. So, if you do want to go to their website, it's superclean.com. You know, simple, folks. Realistically, folks, reach out to them. Tell them thank you, because realistically, stuff like this is what's going to really support the channel. I know, you know, you're all worried about shelvage. Don't worry, we are going to test these. I've got a few things in mind for them. The wheel cleaner actually might be showing up in a break video episode, okay? Okay, so it might not get an episode of its own. It might actually be in the brake clean, you know, brake job video. So, now, this, I'm trying to work it out where we can actually do it, but we're probably going to use both of these products on an engine, one on each side of the motor, and see which one works the best. Or, you know, hey, it might be the fact that they actually do work. You know, that is the thing. Realistically, folks, I am kind of going into this a little skeptical because, you know, I've never used the product. So, now, you can, they sent along where you can buy it. These are all the fine places that you can find it. I know that the Floor Dry says available at AutoZone. I've also seen this at Walmart in this container. So, keep that in mind. And, you know, reach out, tell them thank you. Thanks for supporting the channel, because really, folks, this costs a lot of money to do YouTube. So, realistically, if it wasn't for sponsors that are willing to send us product to test out, and, oh, another big thing I really need to tell you folks, they never told me what to talk about. I get to talk about it my way. There wasn't anything that said, hey, use these talking points. No. So, we're going to try these products out, like I said, and thanks for the swag. And if you folks want to send me things, P.O. Box 88, Mapleton, North Dakota. Okay? So, thanks for watching, and thanks Super Clean for supporting us in our adventures. And I really just can't say enough about, thank you for the sponsorship. We'll see you folks on the next episodes. Stay safe.